In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dates to a database in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a date column so you can track due dates, schedules, events, or any timeline you're organizing. First, open your database and look across the top where your column headers are. At the very end of the last column, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to add a new property column. This is how you create a new field inside your database, separate from your page content. If your database has a lot of columns, you might need to scroll to the right to see the plus icon. It's always sitting at the far edge, ready for you to add one more property. After you click the plus icon, Notion will prompt you to choose the type of property you want. Select date from the list, then give the property a clear name. For example, you might call it due date, event date, or follow-up. The name matters because it appears at the top of the column and helps you and your team understand what the dates are meant to represent. A good name also makes it easier to sort, filter, and group your database later. Now, with your date property in place, click on any empty cell under that new column. A small calendar pop-up will appear. Use this calendar to pick the date you want. You can click through months, choose today, or navigate to any future or past date. Notion's date picker is flexible, so you can simply select the exact day you need. If you prefer to type, you can also enter a date, and Notion will format it for you. Once the date is set, it instantly becomes part of that row's data, just like any other property in the database. From here, you're essentially done. Your database now has a date column you can use across all entries. As you add dates to different rows, you'll be able to see patterns, plan timelines, or keep track of deadlines at a glance. If you ever need to adjust a date, just click the date again and pick a new one. You can also duplicate the column, rename it later, or hide it temporarily without losing any information, keeping your workspace tidy. And there you go. That's all it takes. Click the plus icon to add a property, choose date, give it a useful name, and select your dates from the calendar. Simple, fast, and incredibly helpful for staying organized in Notion.